Let us start exercise 1.1. First question, minus 2 upon 3 into 3 into 5 plus 5 upon 2 minus 3 upon 5 into 1 upon 6. So we can arrange in this form, 3 upon 5 into minus 2 upon 3. Commutativity of multiplication for rational number. Minus 3 upon 5 into 1 upon 6 and plus 5 upon 2 out of the bracket. Now you can see AB minus AC, A, B minus C. So AB minus AC. So we can write by distributivity A into B minus C. So 3 upon 5 inside the bracket minus 2 upon 3 minus 1 upon 6. Now we will take LCM. LCM will be 6. 6 divided by 3. 2 times and 2 2s are 4. Now 6 divided by 6 one time and minus 1 plus 5 upon 2. 3 upon 5 as it is, minus 5 upon 6. 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, minus 1 upon 2 plus 5 upon 2, 2, 2 and numerator as it is. So minus 1 plus 5. So 4 upon 2 and 4 upon 2, that means 2 twos are 4. So answer is 2. Now second question, 2 upon 5 into minus 3 upon 7 minus 1 upon 6 into 3 upon 2 plus 1 upon 14 into 2 upon 5. So you can see in the first term and last term 2 upon 5 is common. So we will arrange in this way, 2 upon 5 into minus 3 upon 7 plus 2 upon 5 into 1 upon 14. Out of the bracket minus 1 upon 6 into 3 upon 2. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. Now we have written this way, by distributivity AB plus AC equal to A into B plus C. So 2 upon 5 and rest of the value we will write in the bracket. So 2 upon 5 minus 3 upon 7 plus 1 upon 14. Out of the bracket minus 1 and 2 twos are 4 minus 1 upon 4. 2 upon 5, LCM is 14. 14 divided by 7 2 times, 2 3s are 6 and 14 divided by 14 1 time and 1 ones are 1. So minus plus minus, 6 minus 1, 5, and now greater number is having negative sign, so minus 5 upon 14 and minus 1 upon 4. 2 7s are 14, 5 ones are 5, so minus 1 upon 7 minus 1 upon 4. LCM is 28. 28 divided by 7 4 times, 4 ones are 4 with negative sign, 4 7s are negative sign. Two negative numbers we always add with negative sign, so minus 11 upon 28 is the answer. Now see second question, write the additive inverse of each of the following. Now children, you will write in this way, 2 upon 8 is equal to minus 2 upon 8. It is totally wrong way. You will write the additive inverse of 2 upon 8 is minus 2 upon 8. The additive inverse, or you will write the number. Column wise also you can write numbers, additive inverse. Make 2 columns. Here rational numbers, additive inverse. 2 upon 8 minus 2 upon 8. Minus 5 upon 9, 5 upon 9. In this way you can. And see here, minus minus cancel. So this will be positive. So positive. So additive inverse will be negative. Clear? Now verify that minus negative of negative x is equal to x. X is given. You can see here minus minus plus. So first you will write given x equal to 11 upon 15. So minus in the bracket minus 11 upon 15 is equal 11 upon 15. Clear? Find the multiplicative inverse of the following. So same way, you will not write minus 13 is equal to minus 1 upon 13. In multiplicative inverse, we change the position of numerator and denominator. So multiplicative inverse of minus 13 is minus 1 upon 13. Or you can write, divide your page into column, and here you will write numbers and there you will write multiplicative inverse. So minus 13 minus 1 upon 13 minus 13 upon 19 minus 19 upon 13, 1 upon 5, 5. And here you will solve. So when you will solve, you will get 15 upon 56. You can solve. You will have space when you will divide your page, or in this way equal also you can. But don't write 1 upon 5 equal to 5. When you will divide 1 by 5, you will get 0.2. So 0.2 is not equal to 5. Here also minus cancel, 2 ones are 2, 2 upon 5. So multiplicative inverse of 2 upon 5 is 5 upon 2. Minus 1, minus 1. Now name the property under multiplication used in each of the following. Minus 4 upon 5 into 1. Multiplicative identity. 1 is the multiplicative identity. We have seen this property. Now minus 13 upon 17 is equal to minus 2 upon 7 is equal to minus 2 upon 7 into. So we have changed the order of the rational numbers. So commutativity, and here minus 19 upon 29 into 29 upon minus 19. 1 we are. So reciprocal. Now multiply 6 upon 13 by the reciprocal of minus 7 upon 16. So what you will do first? First you will write the reciprocal of minus 7 upon 16 is minus 16 upon 7 or 16 upon minus 7. Then you will multiply 6 upon 13 into 16 upon minus 7 and then find the answer. Till what property allows you to compute 1 upon 3 into 6 into 4 upon 3, 1 upon 3 into 6 into 4 upon 3. So which property? Associativity. You can see here the position of brackets. The position of bracket is changing. Bracket is here, now bracket is here. So associativity. Now question number 8. Is 8 upon 9 the multiplicative inverse of minus 1 integer 1 upon 8? Why or why not? So first you will write minus 1 integer 1 upon 8 is equal to 8 1s are 8, 8 and 1 9 minus 9 upon 8. And then write the reciprocal of minus 9 upon 8 is equal minus 8 upon 9. According to the question, 8 upon 9 is the multiplicative inverse. So, and we have seen this multiplicative inverse of this is not equal to this. So, you will write the reason. Now, is 0.3 the multiplicative inverse of 3 integer 1 upon 3? Why or why not? So, first what you will do, 0.3 decimal number is there. So, first we will change into rational number. So, 0.3 is equal to 3 upon 10. Then, mixed fraction you will change into rational number. 3 3s are 9, 9 and 1, 10, 10 upon 3. Then you will write the reciprocal of 10 upon 3 will be 3 upon 10. The value, both the values are equal, then you can say yes, 0.3 is the multiplicative inverse of this, and if both the values are not equal, then write no, 0.3 is not the multiplicative inverse of 3 integer 1 upon 3. Now the rational number that does not have reciprocal. So if we take 0 and reciprocal of 0 will be 1 upon 0, that is not defined. So 0 has no reciprocal. The rational numbers that are equal to their reciprocals, 1 upon 1 we can write, and reciprocal of 1 upon 1 also will be 1 upon 1. So answer is 1. So you will write in the full sentence, the answer is 1 is the rational numbers that are equal to their reciprocals. The rational number that is equal, it's a negative. So 0, because when you will take negative 0, that means 0 with negative sign, 0 will be answer. So 0 is the rational number that is equal to its negative. Now same question is here and here. 0 has no reciprocal. The numbers 1 and minus 1 are their own reciprocals. You can see here. The reciprocal of minus 5 is 1 upon minus 5 or minus 1 upon 5. Reciprocal of 1 upon reciprocal of 1 upon x, where x is not equal to 0 is x. Because when you will write x upon 1, we can ignore 1 in numerator, the denominator. The product of two rational numbers is always a rational number. Already we have seen in the property, the reciprocal of a positive rational number is positive. In the reciprocal, only we change the position of numerator and denominator. Numerator will become denominator, denominator will become numerator. So here 1.1 is finished. If you are having any query in 1.1, you can ask in the group, you can put your query. Definitely I will give you solution, but complete your notebook in time.